Hey Jeep enthusiasts, tired of feeling like your Axial CJ7 is missing that extra edge on the trails? Join me on a journey where we'll explore the essential upgrades every CJ7 owner needs to maximize performance, conquer any terrain, and transform those frustrating off-road struggles into loads of stress-free fun. What's up guys, I'm Shannon, aka the RC Princess. The CJ7 is back! It has been a while. I promised this video months ago and it just has not worked out. So in today's video, I'm giving you the essential guide that I believe every CJ7 owner needs in the way of upgrades to maximize performance. Let's dive right into number one because this video is way overdue. So if you guys watched the Axial CJ7 Jeep unboxing video, then you know this is not mine, this is my dad's. I opted for the blue one. My dad was more called to the red, so it works out that we have different ones, so we're not getting them mixed up when we run them together or whatnot. But yeah, I like the blue, he liked the red. Since my dad jumped the gun on upgrades, like way back, I decided to leave my CJ7 stock so we could have a control rig to kind of compare the upgrades that he was putting on to mine and see if they really made all the difference. So this is a true, like, these are the essential upgrades that we have tested and feel that are super important if you're going to own one. Upgrade number one is brass diff covers. I feel like this is always a really good place to start when a rig needs weight more down low to, you know, shift the center of gravity. So I feel like it's a really good place to start. Brass diff covers would replace the stock plastic ones, so it also adds weight, and also it just gives a little more protection as well. Obviously the brass is a little more protecting than the plastic. Plus, in my opinion, I believe that brass dip covers add a visual appeal and just make the rig look more sleek and more lifelike, I guess. Upgrade number two is Trio brass wheel hubs. Adding weight is first and foremost, but also widening it out gives it just more of a platform and it allows it to be more sturdy on its feet in a sense. That's why we added the Trio brass wheel hubs in 18 millimeters. The wider stance achieved enhances the vehicle's stability. This added stability reduces the risk of rollovers and improves overall handling. This not only widens the tires out, but again, it gives it more brass, which is more weight added down low. Upgrade number three is Trio beadlock wheels. We are sticking with the Trio theme, as you can see. First reason for this is because I love the look of Trio wheels and they add weight down low. Not all of them, but some of them add weight down low, which is, like I have said multiple times, a must-have in the way of the CJ7. These wheels have a steel ring insert in them, so that is where you get the weight and the lower center of gravity from. Trio offers a wide selection of beadlock wheels and I really don't think you can go wrong with any of them. It really just depends on the look of your rig and what you're going for. Just a little side note though, take notice in which type of wheels you're getting. Off the top of my head, I can't remember what type works and what doesn't, but if you're gonna add brass wheel hubs like we did, some of the Trio wheels do not have removable hexes, so that would be an issue. They just wouldn't fit. So take note on which type, and if you're unsure, just ask your hobby shop. They should know. Or if somebody watching this video does have the answer, if you could leave it down in a comment below, that would be amazing. I would appreciate it. And if I remember to get the information, I will also leave it down below for you guys. But yes, I found that out with my Phoenix. I had to really pay attention to which ones I was getting, and the ones that I opted for, I cannot put on brass wheel hubs, but it's okay. The Phoenix is a beast. It's not needed. Upgrade number 4 is a Hobbywing Fusion Pro 2300 kV. This is not necessarily a must-have upgrade, but if you are an FOC technology nut like we are, then yes, it is a must. I absolutely love the performance of the Hobbywings. I just don't think you can go wrong with them. I did mention in the unboxing video that the ESC had great throttle control stock. It wasn't bad by any means, but I was probably going to throw a Hobbywing in just because I love the FOC technology and just the overall more efficiency of a Hobbywing. So that is why that upgrade was thrown in. I have done a whole video all about the Hobbywing Fusion Pros, so I will go ahead and link that down in the description box for you to go check out if you're interested. And then also the next upgrade goes hand in hand with this one. So upgrade number 5 is a smaller pinion. If you install a Hobbywing Fusion Pro 2300 kV in your CJ7, I believe you are going to want a smaller pinion. With the current pinion, it just has way too much speed, and with this one, speed is not its friend. Speed gives you more rollovers, like specifically with the CJ7, speed just, no, it's not your friend. Switching to a smaller pinion will give you more torque on the low end and less speed on the high end. And now the last few upgrades that I have on the list are more for entertainment purposes, but I do feel like they still are must-haves. Upgrade number 6 is a Warren winch and a wired winch control unit. We went with the RC 4-wheel drive Warren winch. This winch has a deadlift limit of 6.6 pounds. I have heard really good things about these winches, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. A winch is not going to enhance any performance by any means, but they are fun to play around with. It can help you get up steep climbs, and honestly, it takes your rig's looks to the next level. Also, by installing a winch, you can add pretty colored winch line. Dale over at Our Shop RC was nice enough to gift me this winch line. It is an orange, you can see that. And then also, Dino RC sent me pink winch line. I will leave both of their information down in the description box below for you guys to check out in case you're interested. And then the wired winch control unit just allows me to control the winch from my smart radio. So they go hand in hand. And upgrade number 7 is a light bar. Super cool, you guys. Definitely not going to enhance your crawling ability by any means, but it helps you crawl in style. If you guys watched the Axial CJ7 Jeep unboxing video, then you know that the light bar mounts that it came with are not easy to install. Like, the light bar itself, like the whole getup, is not easy, but it can be done. The light bar definitely is not a must-have, but it really enhances the rig and makes it your own. A light bar would be really helpful if you do a lot of night crawling. That's one of my favorite things to do, and we definitely do not do enough of it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have some upgrades that you highly recommend for the CJ7 that I did not mention here. I hope you guys enjoyed the list of upgrades that I highly recommend for the CJ7 to enhance its performance and also just to address some of the issues that we have found out since it was released. If you found this video helpful, if you could click the little thumbs up button, and also if you could click that subscribe button to stick around for future uploads and see what all this channel has to offer. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!